Alright guys, I have a challenge lock for you. This is called Frick. It was pinned up by average picker. Here's the key. Pretty nice highs and lows. It works. It's a little hang up, but that's okay. It's very shiny. You can see me in there. 50,000 pry bar. Which one are you? Now I have not tried this lock before, so you'll be seeing it for the first time right now. 50,000 pry bar and a Peterson hook number 1. Okay. Oop. Nice fall set. A lot of crunching and clicking in this lock. And it's open. Alright, that surprised me. Thought I was gonna have to say frick at least a few more times before I opened it. You're the right size. You are not. That's a shame. Okay. That's alright. It makes it easier, but it only saves you 5 seconds or so. Okay. We'll for sure want to shim this. It's not wanting to go in there. I'm gonna try it. Whoop. And we will see what happens. Try and slide the shim with me. All right. Number 1's trying to slip down. Just gonna help him out until we're ready for him. Okay. Here's what we had. I'm not seeing any modifications. Number 1 I'm not sure what to call it. Number 3 or number 2 is a torpedo. Number 5 is also a torpedo. Number 4, don't know what to call. Number 5, kind of a serrated-y guy. Yeah, nothing here that I can see. Let's do number 1 because he was the one that was trying to jump. Homemade T-pin. Number 2, a key pin upside down with one side of it is filed off. That's interesting. We'll take a look at that in a minute. There's probably a few more of those in here, I would think. Number 2 is a nice pool. That's the spring for 3. That's the spring for 2. Number 5. It's kind of like a serrated-ish pin. I said number 5, I meant number 4. I'm not seeing any mods up here. I don't really like when people modify these because it just makes it harder to get the springs out and it can often jam the lock up. Alright, let's see what we have. Zoom in. So all these had work done to them. Nice key pin in 1. Number 2 had that little torpedo shaped. Same with 3. 4 has a slightly reduced diameter in the middle. It's kind of rolling, so you might not even notice you're in a full set. Number 5 is these nice double spool looking thing. Number 1, T-pin. Number 2, this is the interesting one, where it's filed flat there. See if I can get a side profile for you. See how it's filed like that? So from that end it looks like a normal driver pin. It's actually a key pin, but it's upside down, so that's fine. But it's filed flat. That's really interesting. Number 2 is this shallow spool. Number 3 is kind of also a shallow spool, but with a serration as well. Number 5 is a lumpy T-pin. I'm trying to roll it for you so you can see. This is probably a commercial spool. That's always a hard word for me to say. That he filed down to make into a T-pin, so that's pretty cool. The springs 1 and 2 are the same, and then I believe 3, 4, and 5 are the same as well. Alright guys, that is Frick, pinned up by Average Picker. If you haven't checked out his channel, I'll put a link to it in the description. You should go check him out. He has a pretty great channel. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.